In today's video, I will walk you through how to restrict members in Telegram groups. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you manage a Telegram group, there may be times when you need to limit what certain members can do without removing them completely. Restricting a member lets you control their permissions, making it easier to keep conversations organized and prevent unwanted activity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restrict members in a Telegram group. Start by opening the Telegram group where you're an owner or administrator with permission to manage members. Once you're inside the group, tap the group name at the top of the screen to open the group information page. First, tap on the group profile name at the very top of the screen. Then, tap the Edit pencil icon in the top right corner. From the menu, look for and select Permissions. Here is where the magic happens. Telegram lets you customize exactly what standard members can or cannot do. Review each permission carefully and choose the restrictions that match what you want. You can remove only specific abilities while still allowing the member to stay in the group and read conversations. This gives you more flexibility than banning someone completely. After you've finished adjusting the permissions, confirm or save your changes. Telegram will immediately apply the new restrictions to that member, and they'll only be able to perform the actions you've allowed. If you ever need to update or remove the restrictions, return to the group's member list, open that member's permissions again, and adjust the settings as needed. Once you save the changes, their permissions will be updated right away. That's all there is to restricting members in a Telegram group. It's a useful moderation feature that helps maintain a safe and organized community while allowing members to remain in the group with limited access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.